Imagine a sport that your body was almost built to do. A sport that uses one of the oldest human instincts, protecting yourself with your hands. Before guns, swords, spears, and even before other tools. People had to survive, protect their families, foods, and their communities. And that shows us boxing is not just another sport, but it is connected truly who we are. And today, I want to make you agree with me. And agree with what? About what? And this is boxing is the best sport. Not because I do boxing, maybe a little bit because of that, but also it comes from one of the oldest human instincts, and it turns that into a sport of talent, intelligence, fairness, and discipline. And let's begin. The first thing is, as I mentioned before, boxing is related to human history and biology. Our hands are one of the most important tools we have. We use them to carry things, we use them to build things, we use them to holding a pencil. I couldn't hold it. Maybe not for this reason, but definitely for protecting ourselves. In fact, researchers Morgan and Carrier, in their study in the Journal of Experimental Biology, suggest that human hands may have evolved to form a stronger fist, and they point out we have shorter fingers and we have a powerful thumb compared to our relatives. And this doesn't necessarily mean we are only built for boxing, but this shows us we have been doing this for a long time, and this is something very natural for us. And you may ask me after that information, okay, Brock, so the stronger fist we have, the better we box? This is not the case. And this also brings me to my second point. My second point is boxing requires a lot of intelligence and a lot of strategy on the paper. And when I say strategy on the paper, I really meant it. As a national team boxer, when I was in Turkey, we were studying every day on papers, on tests, 2 to 3 hours. Just basics of boxing or previous boxers, how did they box, history of boxing, just in order to be better boxer. And your mission, your duty is to bring those papers into the ring, and those are very different things. And this is what makes boxing so special. You are constantly under pressure. Someone's trying to knock you down, someone's trying to hurt you, but you gotta be calm. And while you are calm, you need to apply those informations, those knowledge, those wisdom you have into the ring. And this is what I love it about. And in another research in the Journal of Sports Science, they suggested that boxing-related activities develop human brains because it develops your reflexes, it improves your attention speed. So boxing, of course, trains your body, but it also trains your brain as well. It's like a chess. But you need to read your opponent, but you need to move, but you need to read your coaches from corner. It takes everything inside of it. It is a beautiful sport. And also I want to speak about one more thing. Boxing is so fair compared to other sports. Let's take a basketball. If you're a guy like 7 foot tall, 400 pounds, what I'm gonna do to you? Or if you are playing football, Mr. Honeycutt, no offense, please. But if you are a football player and if you are a big guy, you are not gonna be the runner guy, like at least today's world. They did it in history, but not now. Let's talk about boxing. If you have long arms, beautiful, you are still boxer. If you have short arms, okay, beautiful, let's do Mexican style, you are still boxer. And this is also beauty about boxing. It gives chance for every body type. Let's summarize it. Today we have talked about some historical and biological context of boxing, and I am now hoping that you have a better understanding of the sweet science. Why this is called sweet science? It's not only about two people punching each other violently, but it's about understanding your body, your mind, testing your limits within the disciplines. And today I'm encouraging you to do just only one thing, one basic thing. If you haven't yet, just give a chance to boxing. Start from videos, attend a beginner class, or basically just text me. I will help you out. And if you want to learn about the rules, Just open the boxing rules booklet, which includes 50 pages of valuable information. Stay safe and well with boxing. Take care. Bye bye. Bam bam.